one fill in the blanks is written there that night birds have dash cones than rods in their eyes. What will be the answer? Less. Yes, night birds have less cones than rods in their eyes. We know it. Okay. Next question. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Wait. A person okay, listen. A person 1 meter in front of a plane mirror seems to be dash centimeter away from his image. Fill in the blanks. What will be the answer? A person 1 meter in front of a plane mirror seems to be dash centimeter away from his image. That is Preyoshi, Onnoy, Jasmine, Kinton, Sneha. Okay, 200 centimeter. Actually, from the mirror 1 meter means the person is standing, so its image at 1 meter. So distance between image and the person is 2 meter, and it is given in centimeter. So answer will be 200 centimeter. Okay. Next question, students. Listen it carefully. The image of an object persists on the retina of an eye for about blank second even after the object has disappearing. 16 second. Okay. Or 3 type of answer I have 0.16, 16 second, 0.16 second, and 16 second, 0.16. Which one is the correct answer? Quickly, though 11 students are here. Answer it quickly. Okay. So, that answer is, first of all, students, that is called persistence of vision. That is 1/16 seconds stay the image in our retina after even object has disappeared. So 1/16 means you can this, that is 0.16. Okay, 0.16. Okay. One by 16 seconds. Okay, very good. That is okay. Next question. So who have given the first answer? Onnoy Laha. Very good. Onnoy. I think Onangsi is not there. Zero 0.16. 1/16 second. 1/16 second means 1/16 student. 1/16. I hope that will be 0.0. That is 0.0625 that second or not. Okay, so 0.0 if you say in decimal point, so that will be 0.0625 second, that is second. So 1 by 16 second means that one, not that all of you have done 0.16. That is wrong, actually that is wrong. Okay, it is clear or not? Okay, so best, that is 1 by 16 seconds. Next question. In the movie, still the picture in proper sequence are projected on the screen, usually at the rate of blank picture per second. Tell me quickly. Okay, even again I am repeating this question. In the movie, the still picture in proper sequence are projected on the screen, usually at the rate of dash, it means blanks picture per second. Which one is the correct answer? Tell me. 16 fps. Okay, 16. Okay, 16. No, actually more than 16, and that answer 24 is, yes, 24 is the exact answer. ঠিক আছে, the rate is 24 picture per second. Okay, more than 16, yes, more than 16. Now it is 24 picture are used per second. Got it, everyone? Okay, it can vary. Yes, it can vary. Generally that is 24 is taken. Okay, next question. The size of pupil become blanks when you see in the dim light. Listen it carefully. The size of pupil becomes blanks when you see in the dim light. Yes. Who answer? Onnoy, S and Kinton, Ronodip, Farhana, Sneha, okay, Onnoy, Oinangshu, large, yes. When we see dim light, that size of the people become larger or become large. Okay, well done, all of you have given right answer. And okay, next question. Very easy question. The angle of dash equal to angle of reflection. Quickly, angle of dash is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, this time Kinton have given first right answer. Incidence angle. Okay, incidence angle is the I equal to R. Yes, incidence angle is equal to reflected angle. Okay, moving on the next question. Okay, now some multiple type choice question. Okay, I will ask 3 or 4 question only. A person, listen it carefully, a person cannot see the distance object clearly, it can see nearby object clearly. He is suffering from option A, myopia, option B, hypermetropia, option C, cataract, and option D, night blindness. Which one is the correct answer? Again I am telling you, a person cannot see distance object clearly but can see the nearby object properly, in which he is suffering from the disease myopia, hypermetropia, cataract, and night blindness. Obviously it is very much easy answer. That who has answer first here? I want to see the check his or her name. S. I don't know who is that S. S Mondal, Sudarshan Mondal, maybe. Okay, Sudarshan, well done. for giving the right answer. Yes, myopia. He is suffering from myopia. If I ask, a person cannot see nearby object but can see the far object, what is the disease here? Okay. Okay. 2 students have answered. This time Onnoy. Okay. 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 So it's very easy, that is hypermetropia. When he can able to see the far object, that disease is hypermetropia. Okay. Next. Next. We can, listen it carefully, we can see a non-luminous object when light, option A, emitted by the object falls on the eye, is reflected from the object towards our eye, commonly passes through the object and gets completely absorbed by the object. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Again, I am repeating the option with the question. We can see a non-luminous object when light, option A, emitted by the object falls on the eye, is reflected from the object towards our eye, and option D, gets completely absorbed by the object. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Option reflected. Yes, if when light is reflected from the object towards our eye, that time we can see the non-luminous object. That time we can see the non-luminous object. Okay, got it everyone? Got it everyone? Okay, next question, and next as well as the last MCQ question. The change in converging power of an eye lens is caused by the action of option A, retina, option B, optic nerve, option C, ciliary muscle, option D, iris. The change of converging power of an eye lens is caused by the action of option A, retina, option B, optic nerve, option C, ciliary muscle, option D, iris. Okay, who have given the first right answer? Or no? Okay, that is ciliary muscle. That ciliary muscle function of, and it is also the function of ciliary muscle. Okay, got it everyone? One question more. One question. Will you want to solve MCQ question or any other type of question? And this is the last question answer discussing class. Okay, if you want, then I will discuss. Otherwise, I will move on the next chapter. All types of means or other type of, you can say MCQ. Okay, okay. One MCQ for this chapter. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, listen it carefully. Which of the following statement is correct? Cones are sensitive to the dim light. Cones are sensitive to the bright light. Rods are sensitive to the bright light. Rods are can sense the color. Which one is the right answer? One is the right answer? Again, I am saying cones are sensitive to the dim light. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Rods are sensitive to bright light, and rods can sense color. Which one is the correct option? Yes. Cones are sensitive to the bright light. Very good. That time exam date will be given by the school authority. Okay, and you know that your physics syllabus and as well as math syllabus. Okay, what is your math syllabus? PT2. What is your math chapters? Yes, cone bright. Graphs and powers and exponent. Yes, and physics, that is friction. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, so these are the MCQ question. Coming to the another type of questions, that okay, true false, you have to say true or false and with explanation, with little bit. shortly explanation, not only true or false. You have to give any one or two lines for this, for the explanation. If it is needed, if I said no need to give any explanation, then you can skip it. Okay, angles of the incident, angle of incidence is greater than angle of reflection. It is true or false? Angle of incidence is greater than angle of true or false? Obviously you will, I hope you can say yes, false. Okay, S Mondal this time. Okay, false. No need to give any explanation because we know that I equal to R. That's why it is false. Next question. The image formed by a plane mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror is real. Image formed by a plane mirror is real. It is true or false? Yes, it is virtual. And students, that I have told you that what is the basic difference between real image and virtual image? What is the basic difference of real image and virtual image? Real image can be obtained on a screen. Sir, virtual image is equidistant. Okay, ray do not meet in virtual. Yes, ray do not meet in virtual, but Kinton's answer is very much fine answer from Kinton Dotto, that real image can be obtained on a screen and virtual image cannot be obtained in the screen. That is the basic difference or not. Okay, if you anywhere it is asked, and on answer also right, in real image where reflected ray are intersect each other, that position image is formed and that image is real image. And in case of virtual image, it seems that they are intersecting each other, that reflected rays are intersecting each other. It seems, and actually it is not real. Okay, it is apparent things. Got it? Real image is obtained on the screen. Yes. Imaginary rays are meets in case of virtual image. Okay. Okay. Okay, next question. The part of the eye that renders color to it is cornea. Listen it carefully. The part of the eye that renders color to it is eye. It is true or false? It is true or false? Again, I am repeating the question. Okay, already it is answering. The part of the eye that renders color to it is cornea. It is true or false? Sirs, so many of you have given right answer, including Onnoy. Okay, I have seen it that Onnoy have answered. It is true. Onnoy, how it is true? Answer it. Cornea for the color, cornea is responsible. Quickly. No. Cornea is not responsible. It is iris. It is iris, not cornea. Onnoy Laha, can you hear me? Onnoy? Yes. Ronodip, iris. It is responsible. It is but for the eye color, that is responsible is iris. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? Okay. Next two question. Okay. Give an explanation that light travels faster in vacuum. Light travels faster in vacuum. Why? Why? Quickly, within one sentence or two sentences. Least optional density, okay, because has greater of the index of that greater refractive index of vacuum. Oh my god. Okay, anyone else? Okay. So actually light moves in vacuum because light is an electromagnetic wave. I have told you electromagnetic wave means that can propagate without medium. That can propagate without medium. That's why, and in vacuum there is no obstruction. It means reflection. One students have answered that reflection decreases its speed. It's very much right. That as it is vacuum, no obstruction is there. That's why its speed of light is very much fast in vacuum. Okay. So students, here in today's class I have discussed some question, MC question and true false, and also the fill in the blanks. Next day it is the last class of question answer of chapter light. Next day one video today will be uploaded for solar system. Next day in your live class I will discuss it. Okay. Thank you students. Bye.